Welcome to the fourth chapter of WPS Word. Let's get started. In this section, we'll learn the several functions of page layout. Word offers a variety of page layout and formatting options that affect how content appears on the page. You can customize the page orientation, page size, and page margins depending on how you want your document to appear. Word offers two page orientation options, landscape and portrait. Compare our example below to see how orientation can affect the appearance and spacing of text and images. Landscape means the page is oriented horizontally. Portrait means that the page is oriented vertically. Select the Layout tab. Click the Orientation command in the Page Setup group. A drop-down menu will appear. Click either Portrait or Landscape to change the page orientation. The page orientation of the document will be changed. Depending on your project, you may need to adjust your document's page size. It's important to know that before modifying the default page size, you should check to see which page sizes your printer can accommodate. Word has a variety of predefined page sizes to choose from. Select the Layout tab, then click the Size command. A drop-down menu will appear. The current page size is highlighted. Click the desired predefined page size. The page size of the document will be changed. Word also allows you to customize the page size in the Page Setup dialog box. From the Layout tab, click Size. Select more paper sizes from the drop-down menu. The Page Setup dialog box will appear. Adjust the values for width and height, then click OK. A margin is the space between the text and the edge of your document. By default, a new document's margins are set to normal. Depending on your needs, Word allows you to change your document's margin size. Word has a variety of predefined margin sizes to choose from. Select the Layout tab, then click the Margins command. A drop-down menu will appear. Click the predefined margin size you want. The margins of the document will be changed. You can also customize the margin. This is the end of this section. Thank you.